ChatGPT 3.5. In Neville's lecture, God Became Man, he began, unveiling truths about our divine plan. He emphasized that we hold the power to shape our reality hour by hour. With words that rhymed, his wisdom shone, revealing that we're never alone. Neville urged us to imagine and feel our desires manifested, utterly real. Through the use of vivid imagination, we create our own unique salvation. Visualizing success, love, and wealth, we transform our lives and enhance our health. He spoke of faith, a crucial ingredient to manifest desires. We must be ardent. Believing in our visions without a doubt, our dreams shall manifest, there's no way out. With conviction and unwavering trust, our desires align, our life adjusts. Neville shared the secret of assumptions to create a life without limitations. By assuming our desires are already true, the universe aligns and brings them through. Living in the end as if it's done, our dreams manifest, we have already won. And God Became Man, Neville's words inspired to awaken our potential and aim higher. He reminded us all with passion ablaze that we are divine in unique ways. By harnessing our power, we create anew, transforming our lives, making dreams come true. Don't just hear what Neville said. Observe the silence that's within your head. Deep AI. God became man to show us the way, to help us live life without dismay. He is within and without, in everything there is no doubt. Our imaginations create our fate. We must focus on what we appreciate. Believe in your dreams and they will come true, for God's power resides within you. The world outside is just a reflection of our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. Change your mind and change your life. Create a better world without any strife. The law of attraction is always at play. What you give, you will receive one day. Choose your words and thoughts with care and watch as miracles appear everywhere. Poe. In the sacred lecture, God Became Man, we find Neville Goddard's wisdom to transcend the human mind, God's incarnation, a truth to comprehend, the power that awakens as their journey starts to mend. Goddard speaks of faith and how to make it grow, to reach a higher consciousness and let our spirit flow. The divine within us, a fire that never wanes, a spark that leads to miracles, breaking earthly chains. Embrace the transformation as God becomes the one, a union with our true selves where separation's done. A leap of faith we must take and trust that we are more, for God and man are intertwined, a truth we can't ignore. Dive into the mystery and let your soul ascend. With Neville Goddard's guidance, your life will surely mend. For within God became man, the truth shall set you free. A journey of enlightenment, the path to